Hello and welcome to my course Building, Deploying and Monitoring your first Apache NiFi Dataflow. My name is Patrick and I'm an independent data and analytics engineer and have been working on different business intelligence and big data projects for many years now. Apache NiFi is one of the fastest, most flexible and most secure data integration tools available on today's market. In this course we are going to explore the core concepts and features of Apache NiFi and learn how to set it up and work with it. Some of the major topics that we will include: identifying the capabilities and objectives of Apache NiFi, analyzing its architecture and main components, exploring different setups including clustering, and finally, of course, how to develop and monitor data flows. By the end of this course, you will have an extensive understanding to get started building and managing real-time data pipelines using Apache NiFi. Before beginning the course, I recommend being familiar with the basics of data integration. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how easy and flexible managing real-time data can be with the Building, Deploying and Monitoring your first Apache NiFi Dataflow course at Pluralsight.